Okay, hello everyone. So this is the last video for this particular module. So what I want you to do with this is you're going to address each prompt like with a paragraph. So you're not necessarily writing a formal essay for this page, just like I did with the previous page. So attending a university is a profound personal decision in one respect. So pursuing a university education disrupts your life once you have, sorry about that, decided to pursue your degree. Long nights of reading, writing, and studying for quizzes and exams. Sometimes you may think why you did this to yourself. You may have realized that pursuing a university education is an investment in your future. It may also be true that you may be the first in your family to attend a university, setting the stage for other family members to consider and pursue a university education. You are establishing a new tradition in your family. For this module page, you must read a vignette, and it's the value of reading widely. And this is from the Booth book on the craft of research. So it's a little paragraph, and I want you to read it, and then I want you to respond to the first question. So this is the prompt. Reading is fundamental. When pursuing a degree of your choosing, I want you to think about the things that you have read. When you've read materials, do you view it as busy work that needs to be done, or do you approach reading to broaden your scope of understanding of unfamiliar issues with the hope of better understanding new perspectives? And I want you to be honest when you answer these two prompts in relationship to what you read from the vignette from the Booth text, how to the craft of research. All right, so I want you to be honest in addressing those points, but also to make sure that you develop your points to the fullest point possible in terms of your understanding. Okay. And then once you're writing that paragraph response to this prompt, I want you to use what you read in that vignette and then use it to help you assess or write about, does Maxine Bakazin's article sensitize your understanding of the tension of being an insider or outsider when doing research? So I'm having you evaluate what a researcher would consider, how they would see something when they're studying it, and how they would approach it if there were an insider or outsider studying like a vulnerable community. Right. So again, hopefully this makes sense. And again, you're not writing a formal essay for these two prompts as well as the previous page, but just writing a paragraph or two, making sure that you address each prompt fully. Okay, so I'm going to stop it here, and then I'm going to be posting these videos onto the YouTube page and then on the Canvas page today. Okay, so have a good night, everyone.